How to buy AIFUN, the AI agent layer token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, this is their X account and they have a big community. Make sure to take a look at it. Now, how to be able to buy this token is just go and this is their website. Now, after that, you will find it on the screener. Now, make sure you have an account with it. Now, how to buy this token? Just copy the token address and go and open your Bitget wallet. Now, after that, click on this little plus icon and make sure you select the base network from here. Now, after that, paste the token address from here. And as you can see, this is our token. Now, click on plus to be able to add it to your wallet. Now, go back and you will find it here. As you can see, now click on it. To be able to buy this token from your Bitget wallet, just click on plus now. But before that, just copy the token address from here. Now click on plus icon as you can see, and you will be able to buy it from the Bitget. So as you can see, paste the token address from here, and now enter how much you want to buy with your currency. Now here select the token or the crypto that you want to buy with. So I prefer USDT. Now after that, as you can see, this is how much you will receive. This is the token address, and after that you can click on buy to buy this token. So this is how to buy the AIFUN token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.